Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Shrimpy. Today we're going to be making shrimp lollipops. We've shown these on the channel before, but here's how to make them. The ingredients are super simple. You're going to need an egg, food grade sticks, a cup, and some spirulina powder. The first step is to crack an egg into a cup and then forget that you only need the egg whites. On my second attempt, I was able to do it by passing the egg white back and forth between the shells, like a little fun game of Who's What's It. Now that the egg whites are in this cup, we can move on to the second cup. We're going to be using spirulina powder. I'm going to use a tablespoon so I don't waste any. Now we're ready for the fun part. You're going to take the wooden stick and slosh it around in the egg whites, and then you're going to take it and roll it around in the spirulina powder until it's evenly coated. Give it a little smack and put it onto the tray. I'm going to go through and use the rest of my sticks and spirulina powder. Depending on how many eggs you cracked and how much spirulina powder you did, you can get a whole bunch on this tray. We're now going to take them to the oven that's been preheated to 220 degrees. This will make sure that the egg white bonds to the stick but doesn't burn them. 20 minutes later, they're ready to be set out to cool. Don't serve it too hot, you could burn the shrimpies. After they cooled for about 30 minutes, I put them in a Ziploc baggie to transport them. I'm really happy with how these turned out. If you followed along, let me know how yours went so far. And now the shrimp lollipops are ready to go into a tank. I'm putting this into my natural wild tank. After about 20 minutes, a couple of shrimp came by and they started eating it. They really seem to like it. Make sure to subscribe to get Shrimpy content every week. And remember, you can check the shrimp live every day right here on Shrimp Tank Live. Thanks for watching.